Step into the 2014 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000 kilometer mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.